In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download United Airlines app on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store. This is the app marketplace for Android devices, and it comes pre-installed on your phone. Once you locate the Play Store icon, which resembles a colorful triangle, tap on it to open. You'll see a clean interface with various app categories and recommendations. At the top, there is a search bar that allows you to find specific apps quickly. This step is crucial because you need access to the Play Store to find and download the United Airlines app. Now, it's time to search for United Airlines. In the search bar at the top of the Google Play Store, tap and use your keyboard to type United Airlines. As you type, you may see suggestions appear below. This feature helps you find the app quicker. Once you see United Airlines in the search results, you can tap on it. This step is important because it ensures you're looking for the official app from the airline, which is necessary for security and functionality. Next, tap on United Airlines by United Airlines Inc. This will take you to the app's detail page. Here, you'll find information about the app, including its features, ratings, and reviews from other users. Always check the developer name to confirm you are downloading the official app. This helps keep your account and personal information secure. Once you verify that it is indeed the correct app, move on to the next step. After confirming, tap Install. This button is usually green and can be found on the right side of the screen. When you tap it, the app will begin downloading. You might see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is essential because it initiates the installation process. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Once the app has finished downloading, wait for it to install. The Play Store will handle this automatically. You'll notice that the Install button changes to an Open button once the installation is complete. This step is significant as it ensures the app is now ready for use. You will see the app icon appear on your home screen or in your app drawer, indicating it's successfully installed. Now tap Open. This will launch the United Airlines app for the first time. You will be greeted with a user-friendly interface designed to help you manage your travel. Explore the various features available, including booking flights, checking in, and tracking your luggage. This step is exciting because you are now ready to utilize all the benefits the app offers. Next, sign in with your Mileage Plus account, or tap Join Mileage Plus to create a free account. If you already have an account, entering your credentials will give you access to personalized services and offers. If you're new to United Airlines, creating an account is quick and easy. This step is important because having an account allows you to manage your trips efficiently, ensuring a smoother travel experience. You can now book flights, check in, access your boarding pass, track bags, and manage your trips. All these features are designed to enhance your travel experience with United Airlines. The app serves as a convenient tool at your fingertips, making travel planning much easier. This is reassuring as you can handle everything related to your flights in one place. With all of these steps completed, you are now equipped to use the United Airlines app on your Android device. Enjoy your travels, and remember that having this app can significantly simplify the travel process. Thank you for following along, and safe travels.